Hi, it's Luke, and today I'm doing a different sort of video. Usually I'll be sitting here and I'll be making a tutorial or some sort of tips for you guys, but today I'm actually going to take you along with me on a job so you can see as a young filmmaker how I work and how I create my films. Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So for the job I'm going to be taking the DJI Phantom 4 for my aerial shots, a DJI Ronin S, and also a tripod for my interview. And then for the camera I'm going to be using a Canon C100 Mark II with a 50mm f1.8 lens, a Rode NTG2, and then all the other accessories for the C100. Now I'm using this camera because it has great features for professional work, including Canon color, and I'd really recommend it because you can get them second hand now for a great deal. Let's start filming and let's go to the shoot. So I'm just walking to a location now so I can make this film for my client. As you can see, we're in this epic forest and we are outside, and it's really going to add the extra element to my film. So even though it's harder filming outside, I really do recommend you get outside and get those amazing shots to really enhance that film. I'll meet you guys at the set. So I've just arrived at the location where we're going to be filming. I'm now going to get out the drone so we can get that amazing opening shot for the film. Now I've got the drone ready so we can get the opening shot for the film. So we're using the DJI Phantom 4. We're going to be filming the structure over there. So now I'm going to get the opening drone shot with the drone. We're going to be going through that gap there to get a really interesting dynamic shot. So we've just finished filming the interview, so now let's go get the B-roll to overlay in the final film. Wow, wasn't that an outstanding location where I just filmed? I'm really looking forward to editing it, and I think this film's going to turn out really professional. I'll see you guys back at the studio. So I've just finished editing. I'm now going to show you the timeline so you can see how much effort I put into this professional film. Right, so as you can see, I'm in Premiere Pro, and here is my timeline for my film, and if I press play, see how cinematic it looks with the Canon C100 Mark II and the Ronin S. I'm personally really pleased with how it's come out. Now let's send it to the client. So we're now back in the studio, and I really hope you've enjoyed this video and you've seen how I, as a young filmmaker, make my films. And I'd like to say that the client is very happy with the film, and I hope that it's inspired you to create your own cinematic professional films. If you want to see more of these videos, do let me know in the comments below, as I have many more jobs lined up. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.